Hi guys, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I got this from Amazon, and this is 1 kilogram or 1 pound. I think it's 1 pound, and I just want to show you what it looked like. I'm going to be putting some information here so you can always see these information and how they use and what they use in. So as you can see, this is yellow, and you have some that's white as well. These beeswax, they're yellow and some are white, so you can use these beeswax, and there's so much different use for these waxes here. As you can see, as I go, I'm putting up some information, so take a look at it. And you can use these to make your foundation. You can use it to make creams. You can use it to make balms. Skincare benefit is a must for beeswax. It's just so much use. As you can see, this one here, it's like small pellets. Beeswax is an awesome ingredients to put in your face cream, body cream, body butter, lip balms. You can also use this to make candles. It's soft and gentle. It's not sticky at all, and it won't harm your skin for sure. It will give your skin a good moisture. Just add essential oils. Beeswax is or it protects your skin from the environment and from damage. So yeah, when it comes to this beeswax, it is yellow. As you can see here, it has the same property as the white ones. It can cover the skin with a thin protection and barriers. It's used in creams and gel. Beeswax protect the skin from environmental and pollution, dust, smog, cigarette smoke. Just cover the skin. Beeswax hydrates your skin as well. Read with me, guys, as you go along. I'm putting up some information here. Beeswax is also great for the lip, especially at winter time. Summertime days are as as great as well, because it's dry as well, so the sun will dry out your lips, so this beeswax will bind your skin and help it to heal. There is so much to tell you about beeswax. It's also good for acne. It can relieve itchiness. People with sensitive skin need to look no further than using beeswax, and it is known as the ability to smooth the skin and relieve itchiness. People with eczema should look into beeswax as well. I mean, for me, and I make a lot of creams for my face. I use shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, and my favorite essential oils. And most of the time I will use rose, because rose is also good for the face. So yeah, take a look as I go and read some of these information I am putting up in the meantime. I think you have 11 beeswax benefit for skin. You can also use beeswax with shea butter, tea tree oil, and rosehip oil, and your favorite essential oils to make a cream for your face. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Marital status of political leaders is impossible to ignore. This plays out across nations, but especially in America. Today, a record number of Americans are single. But they want political leaders to be happily married, complete with children and pets. Like Republican Tim Scott, last year he was running to become president. He faced many questions about his bachelorhood. He would have expressed concerns about his marital status. In November last year, Scott dropped out of the race. This was one of the many reasons, and he's not alone. For decades, many voters have preferred married leaders. The roots of this often lies in our culture. Plenty of evidence shows that single people are equally capable and as content as those in couples. But society often is partial towards married people. And today, politicians use this to their advantage. They routinely wield their spouse as a political weapon to define their public image and help win elections. Take Hillary Clinton or Rajiv Gandhi. But there are outliers as well, like Luxembourg's former Prime Minister, Xavier Bettel.
There's the 28, is down?
A same-sex
There's the
partner
28.
while in office.
Yeah.
He was the first serving EU leader to do so, and second in the world. Or look at Jacinda Ardern, the former Prime Minister of New Zealand. When she took office in 2017, she was unmarried. Soon she got pregnant, became the second leader to give birth while in office, the first to go on maternity leave. And in 2019, she got engaged while in office. Clearly, Ardern swam against the tide, yet in 2020, she had the highest trust score among all political leaders in New Zealand and Australia. Now that's a win. But if anyone knows about challenging such norms, it's the world's largest democracy. Family-centric image is often the political selling point, but not here. In India, many leaders are unattached to family me and amaze me for more reasons than one. And now it's time for Banquet Shop's images that tell the story in Paris. The restored Apollo statue returns to the Versailles Garden after a year. In Japan, a new species is making news for its distinctive skeleton-like body structure. And Polish farmers spent eggs every year at the Union office during a protest. Finally, we're taking you back to history on this day in 1989. The last Soviet troop left Afghanistan. Soviet Union invaded the country in 1979. This was to prop up the communist government there. Moscow was forced to pull out after heavy casualties due to a full-blown insurgency. Leaving you on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I'm making a simple soap. So today we need some mango fragrance oil, and then we need some unscented soap. So I'm using cocoa butter soap today, but unscented. And then you need a bottle to put it in. So with mango essential oil, mango is rich in vitamin and mineral. It have a whole bunch of health benefit included digestive and eye health. So what I'm doing right now, I am going to put some of this soap inside this bottle. Yes, it's unscented. And then I'm going to cap it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a good shake. Mango is also good for men health. And it's so quick and easy, guys. What I do is I just get the unscented soap, and you can always add different essential oils or fragrance oil to your soap. What I do, I don't worry go buy expensive soap anymore. What I do, I will go and get some unscented soap, whether it is lotion or unsoap or bubble bath, and I get the unscented one. So I will go ahead and I will just mix my different oils together. So sometimes I don't have to use a plug-in in my walls. Just the fragrance from my bathroom or my soaps. Just smell it smell up the whole place. And even when you're doing your dishes, I mean, you can also go ahead and add your different oils to your soap in the kitchen, and it is so nice when you finish with your dishes. So the soap, that the essential oil or fragrance oil that you'll use in your product, like giving yourself a bath or even wash your hands, it's not the same oil you will use in your kitchen. You will use something like lemon or lime or oranges, something like that. Those are the oil you'll be using in the kitchen. But yeah, go ahead and try these little project. It will save you a bunch of money, and also you would be more healthier. Yes, give this a good shake again. And it smells so good, guys. While I'm making this, it smells so good. Awesome. Have a good day, everyone. Be good to yourself. Bye.